Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrency chart. We're going to take a look at AVAX Avalanche. Last time we've looked at this chart around about 3 weeks ago. A few things happened in the crypto space, also on the AVAX chart. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. We are on the dailymarketupdate.com website here by Market Intel. You can see our different sections of assets that we cover. Obviously today we want to click on the cryptocurrencies section. Feel free to register here for free and you can get these daily free Elliott-Wave updates about the different cryptos. And if we scroll down, you can see the previous ones: Kronos, XRP, Litecoin, Solana Quant, Polkadot. Bitcoin is covered each day, Ethereum as well. But today we want to click on the AVAX Avalanche link here, or section. So let's take a look at the weekly chart first. Quick reminder of the long-term chart, right? So let's click on that. And here you can see AVAX Avalanche. We have this 1-2 setup, the wave 2 that bottomed in 2023, like many other altcoins bottomed in 2023, end of 2023, their relevant bear market lows. You can see that the initial rally here is highlighted as magenta wave 1. So it is the first wave of a larger 5-wave cycle. You can actually see on this chart that larger 5-wave cycle. Any Elliott-Wave impulse or diagonal pattern is a 5-wave move. 5 waves are always these structures that move into the trend direction, and Elliott-Wave works on the concept of fractals. So as you can see on the chart there, wave 1 is a 5-wave move, but you will find that also in the larger time frame, in the larger wave degree. So once these 5 waves are completed, magenta waves 1 to 5, this would count again as a larger wave 1. So we'll have to see obviously if the price can complete the entire roadmap, because altcoins are more risky assets, and to a degree they are experiments, so that's why they are more risky. But in an ideal Elliott-Wave world, we would see this follow through of all 5 waves. So if you look at the chart, actually the third wave should reach $315 to $351. That's what we can see with the data that we have right now. There are a few conditions that come with that forecast. We're going to take a look at them on the 4-hour chart. Important obviously is that the magenta wave 2 low isn't broken anymore to the downside, and here on the longer time frame chart you can see that the $103.64 level needs to be broken. That's the next key resistance level that we want broken in order for the price to get some more upside momentum and rally to new all-time highs into that $315 region. Now let's click on the 4-hour time frame. Here you can see that we're tracking obviously here a 1-2 setup. Again, that's the smaller time frame. You can see that magenta wave 2 bottomed in October last year. Like many other cryptocurrencies, we count the initial move up as a 5-wave pattern. It is a pretty ugly 5-wave move in my opinion. Topped obviously end of last year. And then we had this decline in magenta wave A of 2, then an overshooting B wave. This last rally looks like a 3-wave move, and therefore we consider this an overshooting B wave. And now the decline is a 5-wave pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we should be in the 5th wave to the downside. Ideally, these are now the last steps in this correction. Ideally, AVAX is really very close to wrapping up this entire correction, and ideally we're very close to a low. So the 5th wave, obviously, as I explained, the 5th wave should be the last wave of a cycle. In this case, it's the 5th wave of wave C in magenta of blue wave 2. So this is the trading area. We're now in this trading area. The support region is defined between $17.48 and $29.30, and any break below $17.48 will possibly lead to more bearish interpretations, or at least it wouldn't be ideal. Yeah, because it's all about probabilities, statistics. In most cases, a wave 2 would form a low in such a wave 2 support region between the 78.6 and the 50% retracement. Normally, I want to see the 5th wave, the wave 2 get to the 50% retracement at least. Well, that was $29.30. We are there now. Actually, we already moved to the golden ratio level here, one of the most relevant Fibonacci levels. Anyway, it's the golden ratio. You don't only find it on the price charts. It's everywhere in architecture, You find so many examples in, let's say, in the real world outside of trading. Yeah, so next breakout point and resistance is at $41.44. At the moment, it's not possible to confirm that this wave 2 has bottomed. So we need to still be very much aware it could still go down lower, but I'd really like to see a reaction before the price breaks below $17.48. So yeah, exciting times on the in the crypto sector, because a lot of these coins are now very, very deep in their pullback areas, support areas. They have retraced quite a lot from their highs. Some made a high in December, others made a high in March. So yeah, lot of corrections along the in the crypto sector. A lot of these very deep corrections, they can create opportunities, obviously, right? Because without red candles, we will not complete those corrections, and those prices are now attractive again. But don't forget your risk management. So that's the update about AVAX. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, also leave a comment. And yeah, make sure that you also subscribe to the website, register, and you get these free Elliott-Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.